A lot of people ask me this question. I myself have faced this challenge on several occasions. What happens if you go to the police and the police refuse to register your complaint as an FIR? A lot of people know that the remedy available to you, if you go to a police station, they accept your complaint but they do not register an FIR, is to approach a court of law, to go to the local magistrate, file an application under section 156 clause 3 of the Criminal Procedure Code. But a practical challenge that a lot of people face is that when they go to the police station refuses to even accept their complaint. The police station says, we are not going to accept your complaint because of A, B, C nonsense reason. And because of that, the person does not even know what to do. They do not even have a record of the fact that they went to the police station and they wanted to give a complaint about what happened to them. If they do not have a record, any statement that they make at a future date, be it 5 days from that date, be it a month from that date, or be it a year from that date, they will have no proof that they actually went to the police station and they tried to put their version across to the police. Even as a lawyer, on several occasions when I have gone to the police station or when my associates have gone to the police station, the police flat out refuse to give even a receiving on that complaint. What is a person supposed to do when the people who are supposed to keep you safe do not even accept your complaint? What I have now resorted to do is, at every time I go to a police station, I give them my complaint and they refuse to give me a receiving or a stamp or a signature of receiving on my complaint, I simply take that same complaint and I email it to as many officials of the state police that I can. So if it's the Delhi police, I go to a local police station in Delhi. They will not give me a receiving of my complaint for whatever reason. I'll just shoot an email to the local DCP, to the ACP, to the Commissioner of Police, so that I have a record of the fact that I, at this point of time, at this particular date, I had gone to this particular police station and I tried my best to give my information, to get a receiving for my record, but the police did not give me a receiving for that. A couple of weeks ago, a similar situation happened where a client of mine went to a police station, gave a complaint of a very severe offense with severe implications. The police refused to accept that complaint, saying that there are alternative remedies available to you. But it is not for the police to decide whether I have alternative remedies available to me. The police's job is to accept my complaint under section 154 of the Criminal Procedure Code and inquire at the very least into the allegations. And if they believe that no allegation is made out, then they can not register the FIR. But it's a very basic right of every individual who goes to submit a complaint in the police station that at the very least a receiving should be given. If I lose my mobile today, I'll go to the police station, I'll give them an application, they'll give me a receiving in no time. But if I go to that same police station and I say that someone put a gun to my head and robbed me of 5 lakh rupees, the police might very well withhold that receiving from me. And this is what happened with my client a couple of days ago as well. My client went, sought police intervention, sought at the very least for police to take on record the information that my client wanted to give to the police station, and the police people, especially because it was Gurgaon police, refused to accept that complaint or even give a receiving on that. So at that police station itself, I asked my client to shoot off an email to all the relevant numbers, to all the relevant email addresses that I could find sitting in my office for Gurgaon police. The net result is that at the end of the day, looking at the perseverance of my client, the police did actually register an FIR. But moreover, what is interesting is that the investigating officer then got in touch with me and told me that a complaint has now been registered against that investigating officer because of the email sent by my client to the respective email addresses. That shows the power of having a record of whatever complaint you have given. On other occasions, I have talked about why calling up 100 number, going to the police station, giving a complaint, having it for your record is very, very important in case of any future dispute with the same party, or in case the other party, after taking perhaps legal advice, goes and files a complaint against you in a police station or in a court of law. Having a record of these things is very, very important, and everyone must do it.